This is a Put Music exclusive.
Huwag mo nang isipin nang di mo maintindihan. Mawasige lang, masaya na sine ang buhay.
Pare, pabukas naman.
Simple lang.
Halika na mga pare, tara magsaya. Inuman na, di na baling may maaksaya. Dapat basagan hanggang umaga, cheers. At saka magambagan kapag wala ng beer. Kapag ganito ang buhay at simple lang, ito'y nagpapatunay na di imposible ang mabuhay na nakangiti kahit wala ng pera. Para bang kapayapaan sa gitna ng gera. Limutin ang problema sa tunog ng gitara. Huwag itindihin kapag walang laman ng pitaka. Hindi naman kailangan ng magarang damit, basta maayos ang itsura kahit parang gamit na ulit. Kahit sabihin nilang peke yan, walang problema sa telepono na second hand. Huwag ka mag-alala talaga, tara na. Just keep it simple everyday para lang iyong malaman na
Ang buhay simple lang, huwag mo nang isipin nang di mo maintindihan.
Just keep it simple every day.
Tumawa, sige lang, masaya na sine ang buhay mo pag simple lang.
Relaxing is enticing, so stop the stressing, perplexing. The microphone testing, addressing the message to the masses. Dressing suits, corsage and passes. Life is a video game on easy mode. If it gets hard, use a cheat code. Open your ears, your heart, mind and soul, cause simple fun just never gets old. So let's get together, get a beer or two. Free your mind from dilemmas like work and school. Take a break from the drama, just keep it cool. Say a prayer to the master, yeah, you know who. Just like a Jew, it's a smile on my face. And if we all did, this would be a better place. Don't worry, be happy, don't put it away. So let me see that dimple. You know, just keep it simple.
Ang buhay simple lang, huwag mo nang isipin nang di mo maintindihan.
Just keep it simple every day.
Tumawa, sige lang, masaya na sine ang buhay mo pag simple lang.
Let's kill the complexity, release the stress, and believe you have the power. Living here is a blessing on this earth that is beautiful and full of life. Let's lay back, chill and kick it, keep it cool, alright. Cause ain't nothing better than this atmosphere where everybody's all good, relaxed with no fear. What you hear is good conversations all night, plus music equals good vibes, am I right? Kaya itigil mo na yung pag-iisip-isip at imulat ng mga mata na pipikit-pikit. Kinabukas ay di tiyak, kahit may butas o biyak, may solusyon pa rin lahat. Kaya ang ulo iangat at itapat kung saan bumabangon ang araw. Kahit may kabigatan, lahat ng problema ay mababaw. Tumayo ka ng diretso at tibayan ng loob. Kahit gano pa yung kalalim, di hindi ka lulubog.